Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib IT and welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to create the logo of Facebook by using Adobe Illustrator. So let's start the video. So friends, at first we have to set our face. To do it, you have to click on the file, then click on the new, then select answers from here, then click on this box and type at 3.5, then click on this box and type at 2. Then you have to click on the create. After set up the page, you have to select the shape tool, then select the round shape. Then press and hold the shift key, then draw the shape in here. Then you have to click on the fill, then you have to select the blue color. Then you have to click on the color option, then you have to select this color from here. Then you have to click on the stroke, then disable the stroke. After that, you have to select the shape tool, then you have to draw the shape in here. Then you have to select the move tool, then select this, then click on the fill, then disable the fill. Then you have to click on the stroke, then select the black color. Then you have to select the shape tool again, then you have to draw the shape in here. Then select the move tool, then select this and press and hold Alt key, then take it out from this, then drag this in here. Then increase the size of this. Then select the move tool, then select these layers, then select the shape builder tool, then you have to select this area. Then you have to select the direct selection tool, then you have to select this, then select this and drag this in here. Then you have to select this, then select this and drag this in here. Then select the move tool. Then you have to select the direct selection tool again, then select this, then drag this in here. Then select the move tool again, then select these layers, then select the direct selection tool. Then you have to select this, then drag this in here. Then you have to select this, then select this and drag this in here. Then you have to select this, then drag this in here. Then click on the fill, then select the white color. Then click on the stroke, then disable the stroke. Then select the move tool, then select this and drag this in here. Then decrease the size of this. Then drag this in here. Then select these layers, then drag these layers in here, then select this, then drag this in here. Then select the move tool. Then select these layers and drag these layers in here. After that, you have to select all layers, then select the shape builder tool, then press and hold Alt key, then click on here. Then select the move tool. Then select these layers and drag these layers in here. After that, you have to click on the file, then click on the export, then click on the export as. Then select the location, then type the logo name. Then select the PNG format, then click on the export. Then select 300 ppi, then select transparent, then click on the OK. After that, you have to open the Adobe Photoshop. So I am opening the Adobe Photoshop from my PC. After opening the Photoshop, you have to open the logo mockup. So I am opening the mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here. Then select the logo, then click on the backspace. Then you have to open the exported logo. Then select this and drag this in here. Then double click on here, then type the company name. Then you have to select this and click on here. Then you have to select this color from here. Then click on the OK, then click on the tick mark, then select this and drag this in here. Then select this and increase the size of this. Then click on the tick mark, then select this and drag this in here. After that, you have to press Ctrl+S1 from keyboard. Now, here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is for you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.